I'm going to fully break down the Tanfoglio Stock Master, and I'm actually going to get it down as far as to change out this trigger plunger spring. So the trigger bow, everything's going to be gone. Pretty much the whole lower of this gun is going to be taken apart in this video. First thing we do, load, clear. You line up your two holes, push this out. The upper comes off. We'll just set that to the side for now. Next thing, you'll see the sear spring needs to be pulled up out of the way. Like so. Then your safety comes out. As that comes out, your whole sear housing lifts off. Set that to the side. There's a tiny pin in here that holds the hammer pin. So you need to get that up and out of the way. Right there. After you do that, you want to take a 3/32 punch. Take out your hammer pin. Hammer comes out. There's your hammer pin. I'll take the spring out also. That's a 13-pound wolf spring. Alright. So now that all that's out of the way, we need to get the trigger out. To do so, we need to remove this pin right here. So I'll put it on a block, just grab a 3/32. Hopefully I could just push it out. There we go. Okay, I got the trigger pin out. Now one of the tricky things is there is the trigger return spring is in there. You have to watch when you pull this out because this spring will go flying. So what I do, I turn the gun upside down, put my hand over the mag well, because sometimes it'll fly out that way too, and I slowly pull my pin out like that, and it should fall out. Right there. Set that to the side. Now the trigger should lift up and out of the way, which I put tape on mine, so I gotta discard that. Now the trigger and the trigger bow should lift off. Like so. Set that to the side. Now you can see there's a plunger right there, and the best way to take this off is literally to grab it with some needle nose pliers and pull it off. You just have to watch. It's held in by the plunger that holds in the magazine release. So keep your finger over that, get some needle nose pliers, and just pull that out. Just like that. And I don't know if you can see that, but when this head depresses, see that tiny little pin in there? I'm going to take a 1/16 punch and pull that out. That's going to allow this whole assembly to come apart so we can switch out this spring.